seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic.
Where are we?
Sorry. And I just got banned on TikTok. I just got banned on TikTok. I don't know what I was going to say.